To change the clutch fluid on your Slingshot, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and ensure the parking brake is set. Push down on the hood latch and lift back to open the hood. Thoroughly clean the area around the clutch master cylinder reservoir and remove the cover. Using a suction device, remove the old fluid from the reservoir and properly dispose of the used fluid. Do not allow fluid to come in contact with finished surfaces. Clean any spills promptly to prevent damage. Add the recommended fluid until the reservoir is filled to the max fill line. Do not overfill. Reinstall the cover, ensuring a proper seal, and wipe up any residual fluid. Operate the clutch pedal multiple times to ensure proper operation. Recheck the fluid level and add fluid as needed. Finish by ensuring there are no leaks around the clutch reservoir. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.